Hi everyone, Marcus here from MADpack, and if you love tech, this place is for you. So let's talk about these new headphones that I received. Then I have to tell you guys that they are quite incredible, and I have reviewed a lot of them. I have very expensive ones. These ones, they are quite damaged, but it's the ones that I use to edit these videos for you guys. But these ones, they are really special. Outside of the box you are going to find this small package where you can put your headphones. What you have more, you have a cable, mini jack, and they are gold plated, so definitely a pro. And you have your USB-C. Thank gods of the USB-C. But let's see this one a little bit closer, and I have to tell you guys that I really like this box. If I need to put this somewhere, I have this small lid. Outside of the box you are going to find these headphones. They are really well built. You have this type of material, it seems like a leather, but it doesn't smell leather, so I doubt that is leather. Until today I've been using them quite a lot, and they continue in very good conditions. When you look to them, they are quite durable, they are comfortable on your neck, so if you have to travel a lot, they are not going to disturb you. Something that they have that I really like, they have sensors, so when you take out from your head, they stop the music. And this movement, it doesn't seem cheap. You also have the adjustments on the top, and they also feels good. On the sides you are going to find the logo of Shivr and saying the brand Shivr. Also you are going to find here the spot where is the microphones. This one is to the noise cancelling. I have tried better noise cancelling, but it doesn't bother me at all because it doesn't feel so much claustrophobic as other noise cancelling that I have tried. Another thing that I really like on these headphones is the controls. They are divided in both sides. So when we talk about the left hand side, you have the control to turn on and turn off. You have a button that we'll talk in a second, that is the MFC, and you can change from the normal sound to the other one that I'll show you in a second. And you are going to have some LEDs to show you which mode you are using or if the headphones are turned on or turned off. You have an entry mini jack, so if you need to connect this to a device that don't have Bluetooth, you can do it. And you have another hole that is your microphone. On your right hand side you are going to have your volume up and your volume down. You have the controls, so if you have to pass to the next music, to pass to the previous music, all those stuff, you can do it on that side. And something that I really like is where they are. So when you put in the right way, obviously the controls are on the back, and they are so easy to access. And when you just pass with your finger, you feel it and you know which one it is. So definitely a plus that you have with these headphones. Another thing is you have your USB port there to recharge your headphones, and a small LED that will indicate if it's charging or not. So let's see the features of these headphones. So right now they are turned off. I'm going to turn on the music. Okay, I'm going to turn on the headphones. I just press it. The noise cancelling is working, set power on, connected, and now it's going to pass the music here. I love these headphones, the sound is so cool. But let's continue to see the features. So someone came, is talking to me. I just take it out and they turn off. I put it back. They are turned on. Took it out. Turn off. Put it back. Just to show you that it really works well. So let's test now this that I want to tell you guys is with the music that I never heard. If I press 2 times, I believe that it's 2 times. It's so crazy. So every single time that that you move your head, the sounds move from one side to the other. It's so cool, it's so immersive. If you think about it, imagine that I'm playing a game or something and I move my head, I feel more connected to what I'm doing. If I'm hearing a music, sorry if I'm screaming a bit, if I'm hearing a music, it feels like that I'm seeing the concert. If it makes sense, man. It's always blowing my mind every single time that I use this feature. Obviously, if you turn off, the sound is more rich. If it makes sense, it's a little less echoing sound. But you can see how easy it is to press the buttons. The only moment that this technology can bother you is when you are walking or running, and when the music stops to start a new one. Basically is on the right hand side, you can feel it something going up and down. So you have like a moving part, and I believe that is through these headphones that you have the 3D sensing happening, because on this side is where is the other sensor that will turn off the music when you take out the headphones from your head. So that is the only moment. So I hear something going up and down, but like I said, when I turn on the music, I don't hear that anymore. So just to point it out, that specific thing. I never like it to run with headphones. I always like it to run with earbuds, and this headphone starts to be my headphones to go to the gym. This headphone starts to be my headphones to connect to my television, and I love them. The form factor is amazing. They are really comfortable. The sound quality is incredible. The bass, it's incredible. It's not the biggest bass that I tried. I will bring ones with much more bass really soon to the channel, but the sound quality for me is perfect. The balance is really good.